Video, I'm going to talk to you about compounding continuously. In the previous one, or whichever one you watched last, we talked about compound interest, and that way you will see time when it says compounded annually, compounded daily, compounded quarterly, and those each mean something. But when it says compounded continuously, that's a whole different equation. A is the new amount, just like before. P is your principal, which is still your starting amount, just like in the last equation. R and T go together because R is still rate, which we divide by 100 and rate is going to be usually mentioned to you as a percentage. So that's why we divide it by 100. And we're going to be multiplying that by T, which is time. Now, E is special. E is only used for compounding continuously, and it is a natural logarithm. So that is like pi. You know pi is 3.14. Well, E, when you type it in a calculator, it has its own meaning as well. But it's a natural logarithm. Okay? E, we just type it into Desmos, just using your alphabet keypad, and you see we get a number. So we just get that. I don't need you to memorize it or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, again, it's used when we are using the word compounded continuously. So if you deposit $250 into an account, so that's our principal, that's what we're starting with. We put $250 into an account. The rate is 3%. We're going to go ahead and divide that by 100 to get 0.03. I can see just right here from the corner, after 7 years. So time is 7. Now, it is compounded continuously. That's our key thing right there. That's telling me to use E. So my equation, PERT, we did 250. We're going to put E. My rate was 0.03 times my 7. And I'm going to put that into Desmos, just like that. So we're going to put 250 E raised 0.03 times 7, $308, 308, and 42 cents.